Meaning of Denmark.
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 Denmark. Denmark is a country located in northern Europe, bordered by Germany to the south and Sweden to the east. Its name means Land of the Danes, referring to the dominant ethnic group in the region. Denmark has a long history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Stone Age. Today, it is known for its high standard of living, well-developed social welfare system, and innovative design and architecture. The country is also famous for its pastries, Legos, and the fairy tales of Hans Christian Andersen.